everyone is scared of bringing products like groceries and letters into their houses and are trying to disinfect it as best as they can by using sterilizers, sanitizers, and whatnot. For vegetables, they're using things like baking soda, sterilizers, potassium permanganate, even drying it out in the sun, which sometimes can spoil the grocery or the vegetable. I have seen my family struggle with this problem, and I'm sure that many other families out there and other people are struggling with the same problem of having fear and anxiety of bringing things into their houses. I really wanted to contribute to this crisis and could not see my mother struggle anymore. And so I decided to put all of my years of knowledge of design thinking into practice to come up with a proper solution towards this. That made me wonder, and I thought to myself, what is the best thing in the world that can kill any virus or bacteria? And after researching, I found out about UVC lights, which emit light to kill microorganisms. It has a wavelength of 200 to 400 nanometers, which is perfect to kill most of the known viruses and bacteria. It has also been proven and is used to sterilize equipment such as gloves, masks, and many more. Various studies have shown and proven that UVC radiation decontaminates almost all known bacteria and viruses, including SARS and MERS. Since COVID-19 also belongs from the same family, it's not unreasonable to expect a similar effect on the COVID-19 virus as well. So let's look at some benefits of using UVC lights. 1. There are no chemicals, no harmful chemicals used in the light disinfecting process. There is no chance of overdosing while breathing those in. There are no toxins, there are no byproducts, and finally, there are no hazardous materials to store in it. And the best part about using a UVC light is that they last for almost more than a year. One of the challenges that I faced while making this prototype was getting my hands on a UVC light. At this time, Pune is in a lockdown and I could not get my hands on one. So I started to wonder and research, where are all the UVC lights used? In pools, aquariums, ponds, RO systems? Wait a minute. I have an unused RO system at the top of my terrace. That's where I got hands on my UVC light. And you can easily get it at a nearest local store for 300 to 500 rupees. So let us have a look at the required materials for making the UVC sterilizing box at home. So you need a box, aluminium foil, UVC light, a screwdriver, scissors, tape, some creativity, and let's get going. These are items which are really easy to find around the house too. I use the aluminium foil for wrapping the inside of the box because it reflects the light and the heat from all sides of the box, and it also covers up all the dust particles and doesn't let them enter into the things that you keep in it, and it disinfects things much faster, and it's easy to clean also. So let's start working on the prototype now. Step 1. Make a hole so that you can insert the UVC light into it, stabilize it, and let the wire out. And the reason why you're letting the wire out is so that you can close the box properly, and also because the bulb, the light should be stabilized in the box in the right position. I'm just making a small cut so that I can insert this wire. So now in this cut, I'm just going to insert this wire like so. So I've cut the aluminium foil pieces according to the measurements of the box, and now it's time to stick them. Now I've put all of the aluminium foil inside and it looks like this. So it should cover every part of the box. Now I'm inserting the light. And just like that, our UVC sterilization box is complete. Now that we have the box ready, we are ready to sterilize anything like vegetables, fruits, notes, phones, masks, gloves, almost anything as long as it fits in this box. So I got some groceries right here. Let's just put them one by one. And there we go. Make sure to keep it organized in this and just close it. And turn it off. Just like that. It's on and then turn it off. Now let me show you how to sterilize some fruits and vegetables. Let's start with the king of all fruits, mangoes. After putting it, close it first and then turn on the light and wait for another 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes are up, and first things first, I have to close the light. And then there you have it. All of the fruits and vegetables are properly sterilized. You can do this with several other boxes. I chose to do this with a regular box. You can even choose something like a cupboard, a bucket, a suitcase, a dustbin, and many more, as long as you can fit the light in it and cover up the entire space inside the box. So this was just my first attempt at making this sterilization box. This has solved my family's problem and has made my family's and my mother's life a lot easier now, as it doesn't need the need for washing, cleaning, and drying it out. It saves a lot of time also now. I am planning to make a more enhanced version of this sterilization box once I get my hands on more materials. I'm planning to have features like an automatic timer, or like the light automatically turns off when you open the box, etc. So stay tuned and keep watching this space for more. Please like, comment and share this video so that it reaches out to many people, and also post pictures of some sterilization boxes which you used or which your friend made, and so that we can learn from each other and so that others can benefit from us too. I appeal to everyone to follow the right precautions, keep washing hands regularly, maintain social distancing, wear masks, gloves, and together we can get out of this crisis. Stay home, stay safe, keep ideating, thinking and innovating.